morning students, welcome to Crush King online class. In today's session I am going to explain a new chapter, that is simple equations. Simple equations. First we will see what is equations. Say I wrote your definition. Equation means an equation can be defined as a mathematical statement consisting of an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions that have the same value. Yeah? So what is the equation? An equation can be defined as a mathematical statement, yeah? A mathematical statement consisting of an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions that have the same value, clear? So if you want, you can write one more definition, that is an equation is a statement that says that the value of two mathematical expressions is equal. The value of two mathematical expressions is equal. That means, for example, say here 12x plus 3 is equal to 4x. So this is what? Equation. This is called equation. Why this is called equation? See, a mathematical statement. See here 12x plus 3 is an algebraic expression, right? So 12x plus 3 is algebraic expression, and here 4x also algebraic expression. So these two algebraic expression, in between these two algebraic expression, we have written equal sign, right? So here I wrote equal sign. So this is the equation. This is called the equation. That means an equation is a statement. This is a statement that says that the value of two mathematical expression. So 12x plus 3 is a mathematical expression, right? That means algebraic expression. So 12x plus 3 and 4x are algebraic expressions are connected by equal sign, right? Are equal sign, connected by equal sign, means left hand side expression, the value of left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side. Left hand side value and right hand side values are equal, clear? So both the side should get the value same. After simplifying we will get same, then that is called balanced equation. Okay, so first we will see what is equation. Equation means, equation is a mathematical statement that says that the value of two mathematical expressions is equal. See, this is a algebraic expression, right? Or we can say that mathematical statement, okay, is connected by equal sign. For example, here I considered one more expression. See, x plus 4 is equal to 6. X plus 4 is equal to 6. This is also an equation. This is equation. Why? Because see, in between two algebraic expression there is a equal sign, right? There is a equal sign. So that only an equation can be defined as mathematical statement consisting of an equal symbol. Clear? Consisting of an equal symbol between two algebraic expression that having same value. Clear? Same value. So means left hand side answer and right hand side answer we should get same. After solving we will get same answer in both left hand side and right hand side. Clear? Equating. You know how to balance. How we are weighing vegetable or fruits and all, isn't it? Will balance. So like this, in both the side, left hand side and right hand side, we should get same values. Okay. So if we can write many expressions, many example to equation. For example, 2y plus 5 is equal to 100. 2y plus 5 is equal to 100. So in equation must contain any one variable, any variable. Here I considered variable y. You can consider any variable. Okay, it's not like x is only the variable, or here I considered y is a variable. You can consider any letter. Okay, for variable you can consider in a equation. Okay, in both the side we'll get expressions, mathematical statement, mathematical expressions that is connected by a equal sign. So this is the equation. You know, in polynomial, how we'll write polynomial? just we'll write 3x plus 3. Will not write equal. Equal means that is equation. If you write just 2x plus 3, this is algebraic expression. So that is, this is an example to polynomial. You know polynomial, right? Many types of polynomial: monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. See, so these are all example to polynomial. So here we are not written equal sign, right? So in this 2y plus 5 is equal to 100. So this is an equation. Okay. So understood? So what is the definition? It's very important. An equation can be defined as a mathematical statement consisting of an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions that have the same values. One more condition, we have to both the side, left hand side or right hand side, should contain any one variable. Okay, any variable. A variable you can consider any letter, A, T, X, Y, any. Okay, any alphabet, any letter we can use. Clear? Hello students, this is one note in a equation. See, at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. At least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. That means if you write any equation, see this is equation, right? So in both the side, left hand side and right hand side, if you see, we can find variable, right? So it must contain one variable in any side. Means that it may be in a left or it may be in right. Clear? Same variable. Here it is x, means here also will get x. So that is the example to linear equation that you will learn in higher classes. Okay. So this is what? Equation. So that only at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. It may be in the left hand side or it may be in the right hand side. It must contain one variable. Clear? At least one variable in both any side. So for example, if I write y plus 5 is equal to 11. So this is the equation. In the left hand side, if you see, here we can find variable, that is y. Correct? So if I say 2x, here it is 5 plus 7x. So this is also equation. See, both the side it contains variable. Sometime you will get only in the right hand side. The variable you will get only in the right hand side. Means 7x plus 3. Okay. So in this is the left hand side and this is in the right hand side, right? But variable we can find in the right hand side. But that is also equation. So equation must contain in the expression any side must contain one variable. Clear? Must contain one variable. So one more, see, an equation remains the same. An equation remains the same when the expression on the left and on the right are interchanged. Equation will be remain same when the expression on the left and expression on the right are interchanged. If you interchange also, it remains same. The value remains same. Means if I write, for example, if I write 4x plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, this is the equation. Say if I write 15 in the left hand side, 15 if I write in the left hand side, and 4x plus 5 is in right hand side. Is it the value of the equation is changed? No, just we interchange the place, right? See, left hand side value we wrote in the right hand side, right? So here the right hand side value we are written in the left hand side. Just the place is interchanged, right? So 4x plus 5 is in the left hand side. In equation 1, see the left hand side and right hand side. So 4x plus 5 and here it is 15, right? So now 15 I wrote in the left hand side and 4x plus 5 I wrote in the right hand side. But the value remains same. Clear? If you interchange the place also, that value remains the same. That is very important. We can write 4x plus 5 is equal to 15, or we can write 15 is equal to 4x plus 5. Clear? The order is not important. We can write in any order, maybe in the left hand side or in the right hand side. We can interchange the place. Okay? But the value remains same, that only. See here, an equation remains the same when the expression on the left and on the right are interchanged. Clear? So we can write equation in any side, means left or right. Clear? Okay, now we are going to solve exercise sums. In that first one, see here, complete the last column of the table. So you have to complete this table. See, first column it is given serial number, and second one it is equation. One equation is given, then the value x value is given. Clear? In this column the value of x is given, and here it is given equations. Okay, now what we have to do, say whether the equation is satisfied or not. Say whether equation is satisfied or not, means yes or no. So first you have to check. Without solving we cannot say whether equation is satisfied or not. Okay, first we will see how to check whether equation is satisfied or not. First one, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. The value of x is here 3. Okay, the value of x is 3. The equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. This is given in the question. So what we have to do? We have to substitute x value in place of x. You must write x value. What is x value? X value is here 3. Okay. So in the equation here we can see variable, means x is a variable, right? So here in place of x the value of x is 3. So you must substitute the value, right? In place of x is 3, right? Just in place of x, right? 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Remaining numbers write as it is. Only in place of x the x value is given, no? That value you have to write. You have to substitute. Clear? So in place of x I wrote 3. So now see here, if you add 3 plus 3, this is in the left hand side and this is in the right hand side, means left and right side you have to see, you have to equate both the side. Clear? So now 3 plus 3, that is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is equal to 0. Is it? This equation is balanced? No. So here it is 6, here 0. So balance means both the sides should get same value. Suppose if here it is 6, then here also it may be 6. In left hand side if you get 0, then right hand side also you must get 0. If it is 100 here, then right hand side also you should get 100. But in this equation we got value in the left hand side is 6 and right hand side is 0. So is it left hand side value and right hand side value, is it same? No. So this is not equal, not equal. So how to write not equal in mathematical symbol? See, equal, this is equal, this is not equal. So LHS value and RHS are not equal. Clear? So that means this equation is not satisfied. Clear? This equation is not satisfied. So equation is, write like this, equation is not satisfied because LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Clear? So this equation is not balanced, right? Now we'll see second equation. Second question is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So same equation is given, but the value of x is different, right? So what is the value of x? Value of x is here 0. Clear? So now we'll check second one. Second equation is satisfied or not. So how to check? Same procedure. See what you have to do. First given equation you must write. The given equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? X plus 3 is equal to 0. the value of x is here, the value of x is a 0, value of x 0. So what we have to do, we have to substitute this value in this equation. Clear? In place of x, the value of x you must write. So what is the value of x? X is 0, right? So 0 plus remaining values, right, as it is. Okay, that means put x is equal to 0. So that x value must write in this equation. Substitute the value. So 0 plus 3, that is 3. So is equal to 0. Is it this equation is satisfied? If you write x is equal to 0, is it this equation is satisfied? No, this equation is not satisfied because LHS answer is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, so this is also not satisfied. Clear? So this is not a satisfied. Okay, third one we'll see now. Third question is x plus 3 is equal to 0. The value of x is equal to minus 3. X plus 3 is equal to 0. See, third question, x plus 3 is equal to 0 and the value of x is minus 3. Value of x is minus 3. So now you have to check whether this value will satisfy this equation. Clear? So first one is not satisfying, second one also not satisfied. Now third one equation, the equation is same, right? X plus 3 is equal to 0, but the value of x is different. So what is the value of x here? X is equal to minus 3. Okay, x value is minus 3, that you must substitute in the equation. Okay, so equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So in place of x, you must write the value of x. Okay, x is minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3. So x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? So left hand side minus 3 plus 3 and in the right hand side it is 0. So write as it is. Now simplify left hand side. So left hand side is here minus 3 plus 3. See the sign, so you know how to solve integers, right? So integers in this minus plus sign, first see the sign minus plus. So sign is a different sign, right? So different sign means, you know, subtraction, right? Different sign, subtraction. So subtract 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, that is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. What is the value in the right hand side? That is also 0. So 3 minus 3, 0. So for 0 will not write any greater number sign, or isn't it? Will not write any sign. So now see the LHS and RHS value. So here LHS is 0 and even RHS also 0. So both left hand side and right hand side are equal, correct? So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore this equation is satisfied. Clear? Satisfied because both LHS and RHS is equal. When we got equation is equated if the value of x is equal to minus 3. So this is the solution for this equation. Clear? So x is equal to minus 3 is a solution for this equation. If you write here any other values, if I write x is equal to 3, this is not a solution because x plus 3 is equal to 0. If you substitute the value, that equation will not satisfy, right? So even second equation also not satisfied. But the third equation is the same equation, but the value of x is different. Value of x we considered here minus 3. If you write minus 3, what happens? That equation will be satisfied. So that is the solution for this equation. Clear? So here we can write yes. So the equation is satisfied. So answer yes. Clear? Yes. Next. We'll see fourth equation. Okay, the fourth equation is x minus 7 is equal to 1. X minus 7 is equal to 1. The value of x, so value of x is given, that is 7. So x is equal to 7. Now what you have to do, you have to check whether the value of x is solution for this equation or not. Means whether the equation is satisfied, whether equation is satisfied, yes or no. So now we have to check. First what you have to do, we have to substitute this value in this equation. Clear? So in place of x, write 7. So x is 7, right? Understood? X is 7. So write in place of x, write the value that is given. So that value you have to write. Clear? So x is 7. So 7 remaining values write as it is. Only in place of variable, only in the place of x, just you have to substitute the value. Clear? So 7 minus 7 is equal to 1. 1 is in the right hand side, right? So write as it is. Clear? So now simplify the left hand side. Left hand side is here plus 7 and minus 7. You know, plus minus, that is different sign, right? Different sign means subtraction, same sign addition, correct? So here the sign is plus. Here the sign is not mentioned, but we have to consider the sign is plus. So plus minus, subtraction, different sign, subtraction. So 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, that is 0. Is it correct? Yes, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now see the right hand side, there is a value that is 1. So left hand side and right hand side, is it equal? No. Right, LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, left hand side value and right hand side values are not equal. See here, left hand side it is 0 and right hand side is 1. Different, isn't it? Yes. So this equation is not satisfied. Clear? So this equation is not satisfied. Clear? Because LHS is not equal to RHS. Yes.